The automotive industry is buzzing with a major announcement. Stellantis, the parent company of iconic brands like Chrysler and Jeep, is set to invest a staggering $13 billion in the U.S. market. But this isn't just about money. It's a bold move that will shape the future of American manufacturing. Stellantis has revealed its ambitious plan to inject $13 billion into its U.S. operations by 2029, marking a significant commitment to the country's automotive industry. This strategic decision comes as the company aims to revitalize its domestic presence under the leadership of CEO Antonio Filosa. And here's the exciting part. This investment isn't just about numbers. It's about creating opportunities and driving innovation. The plan includes expanding Stellantis' workforce by over 5,000 jobs, offering a much-needed boost to the American economy. But that's not all. The investment will also bring new products to life at plants across 4 states: Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. This means fresh designs rolling off the assembly lines and an enhanced product portfolio for consumers. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this investment enough to ensure Stellantis' long-term success in the highly competitive U.S. market? Some industry analysts argue that while the investment is substantial, it may not be sufficient to keep up with rapidly evolving consumer demands and technological advancements. Others believe it's a strategic move to solidify Stellantis' position in the electric vehicle race. As the news unfolds, one thing is clear. This announcement has the potential to reshape the automotive landscape. Will Stellantis' investment pave the way for a new era of American-made vehicles? Only time will tell. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on this developing story.